The puff pastry in this dish is amazing. It is rolled in a spiral. I'm going to show you an easy technique to get it. They'll contain a delicious chicken stuffing. Here are the ingredients for 20 puffs. Start by making the dough number 1. In a mixing bowl, put 300 grams of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, mix. Add 11 centiliters of water and 8 centiliters of vegetable oil. Mix. Then knead for 3 minutes. Wrap it up and let it rest for 1 hour. Now prepare the dough number 2. Put 130 grams of wheat flour and 80 grams of softened butter. Knead until getting a smooth dough. Wrap it up and let it rest for 1 hour. During this time, prepare the stuffing. Remove the skin and the bone from the chicken thighs. Cut them into chunks. Chop them. Put them in a mixing bowl. Chop 2 cloves of garlic. Put them with the chicken. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix all together. Mince 1 green onion, put it in the stuffing. Mix again. Let it rest. Make tail balls with the dough number 1. Also make 10 balls with the dough number 2. Put the film to prevent them from drying. Take a ball of each dough. Form a small disc with the ball of dough number 1. Put the ball of dough number 2 into the disc. Wrap it, avoiding air. Roll to form a cylinder. Flatten it lengthwise until getting a strip of about 30 centimeters. Roll it up. Flatten it a second time, lengthwise. Be careful to have a regular width of about 5 to 6 centimeters. Flatten it well to both ends. Get the strip about 40 centimeters long. Load it up. Tighten the roll. Cut it in half. We get 2 pieces of dough rolled into a spiral. Put one piece with the spiral visible upwards. Spread it out to get a disc of 10 cm diameter. Make sure that the heart of the spiral is in the center. Flip the disc over. Put one portion of stuffing in the center. Enclose it by pinching the edges. Then make folds one on another continuously along the edge. At this stage, we can keep them in the fridge for 1 day or longer in the freezer. Fry them in preheated oil at 170 degrees Celsius for 7 to 8 minutes. Remove them and put them on the rack. Enjoy them hot. These small puffs are very crispy. They are an ideal aperitif for festive meals. We light them first for the appearance and the crunchiness of their dough, then for all the flavors of the stuffing.